Guys, welcome to our next video of classification of the drugs. Today we will see the drugs for the respiratory syndrome, drugs for the cough. The classification is first class pharyngeal demulcents, that is lozenges, syrups, glycerin and liquorice. Expectorants, that is mucokinetics, contain two classes: secretion enhancer and mucolytics. Secretion enhancer: potassium citrate, potassium iodide, guaifenesin, tolubalsam, Vasaca, ammonium chloride. Mucolytics: bromhexine, ambroxol, acetylcysteine and carbocisteine. Adjuvant: antitussive drugs like bronchodilators, salbutamol and terbutaline. Next class opioids: codeine, ethylmorphine and pholcodine. Non-opioids derivative: noscapine, dextromethorphan and clofidinol. Next antihistaminic: chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, promethazine. For pulmonary receptor desensitizer is prenoxdiazine.